They told you the ocean was mapped, safe, predictable. But step into the Devil's Sea and you'll discover how wrong that belief really is. A place feared by pilots, sailors, and even scientists where the Dragon's Triangle challenges everything we think we know. What happens if you enter? The answer may change the way you look at the ocean forever. The Devil's Sea is a stretch of ocean that blends fascination and fear in equal measure. How can an area of just a few square miles hold so many stories of ocean disappearances? The contrast between chilling accounts and scientific hypotheses has always kept this place at the center of debate. The Dragon's Triangle earned its fame precisely because of this duality. For some, it's a stage for unknown forces. For others, nothing more than poorly explained enigmas. Much like the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, it lives on in legends, old maps, and even pop culture, reinforcing the weight of paranormal sea legends. The namesake of the devil already carries a symbolic weight that's hard to ignore. When referred to as the Devil's Sea, popular imagination instantly links the place to supernatural forces. This choice of words shaped the region's reputation, turning it into a synonym for danger and mystery. The alternative title, Dragon's Triangle, further reinforces this legendary aura. While the Bermuda Triangle Mystery evokes disappearances tied to navigation, the Japanese dragon symbolizes hidden and unpredictable power. It's no coincidence that paranormal sea legends grew stronger under such striking names. From early on, scholars tried to explain the Devil's Sea through science, unstable ocean currents, geological faults, and even underwater eruptions. Meanwhile, the ancients saw each disappearance as the work of spirits or dragons, turning ocean disappearances into signs from beyond. This contrast paved the way for very different interpretations of the same phenomenon. While the scientific view sought to measure winds and chart waters, spirituality regarded the Dragon's Triangle as a boundary between worlds. Just as the Bermuda Triangle Mystery fueled fears in the Atlantic, paranormal sea legends grew in the Pacific. This duality remains alive today, strengthening the aura of enigma. The Devil's Sea has never had officially recognized boundaries. Some maps place it south of Tokyo, while others stretch its borders to remote Pacific islands. This lack of geographic consensus only adds to the mysterious aura surrounding ocean disappearances. Much like the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, the Dragon's Triangle suffers from shifting borders depending on who describes it. The absence of a fixed outline gives paranormal sea legends fertile ground to multiply, keeping the enigma forever unresolved. Samurai Chronicles already mentioned the Devil's Sea as an area to be avoided. Accounts described vessels vanishing without explanation, turning ocean disappearances into part of Japanese culture itself. These ancient documents reveal how fear was recorded and even institutionalized. Alongside the Dragon's Triangle, these narratives gain symbolic weight. Much like the Bermuda Triangle Mystery in the West, over the centuries, paranormal sea legends ceased to be just sailors' tales and became part of the collective imagination of an entire nation. In the 17th century, Japanese fishermen created rituals before sailing through the Devil's Sea. Amulets, prayers, and symbols were seen as forms of protection against ocean disappearances. More than mere superstition, these practices served as survival strategies in an unpredictable sea. The Dragon's Triangle became a realm of respect and caution, where tradition played a vital role. Just as Atlantic travelers feared the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, the Japanese viewed these rituals as a shield against the paranormal sea legends that haunted their journeys. Stories of the Devil's Sea often mention sea dragons rising from the depths. For the ancients, these beings were the most natural explanation for ocean disappearances that defied human logic. After all, the dragon has always symbolized forces beyond control. In the Dragon's Triangle, these narratives connect to global myths. While the West imagined sea monsters in open waters, the East saw dragons as symbols of power and mystery. Just as the Bermuda Triangle Mystery fueled fear of sudden storms, Japanese paranormal sea legends used dragons as their strongest image. Old maps showed entire islands within the Devil's Sea that were never found again. These so-called phantom islands became symbols of how ocean disappearances could confuse even cartographers. Each record revealed not only mistakes, but also the limits of nautical knowledge. In the Dragon's Triangle, these cartographic illusions reinforced its aura of mystery. Just as the Bermuda Triangle Mystery grew with reports of vanished ships, Japanese paranormal sea legends fed on these non-existent lands that appeared and disappeared according to sailors' eyes. During the 20th century, the Devil's Sea gained international fame with reports of ships disappearing in broad daylight. Many of these ocean disappearances reflected technological limitations, the absence of GPS, unreliable radars, and failed communication at sea. Sailing meant running invisible risks. In the Dragon's Triangle, each disappearance strengthened the mystery and fueled parallels with the Bermuda Triangle Mystery. Paranormal sea legends blended with official reports, creating a scenario where the line between fact and imagination grew harder to distinguish. In 1955, the Komaru no 5 expedition entered the Devil's Sea and never returned. The ship's disappearance became one of the most emblematic cases of ocean disappearances, leaving Japan in shock. The tragedy only deepened the region's dark reputation. The Dragon's Triangle gained worldwide notoriety after this episode, drawing direct comparisons to the Bermuda Triangle Mystery. Paranormal sea legends gained momentum, but there were also political consequences. Japan reduced ocean research in the area, fearing more human losses. Few managed to escape the Devil's Sea to tell their stories. Many spoke of disorientation, as if time distorted or space no longer made sense. These human experiences gave even more strength to stories of ocean disappearances. In the Dragon's Triangle, such accounts took on an almost mythical tone. While the Bermuda Triangle Mystery spoke of mechanical failures or maddened compasses, the Pacific held descriptions of altered perception. Paranormal sea legends found in these memories the fuel to remain alive for decades. Just like in the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, pilots flying over the Devil's Sea reported inexplicable instrument failures. Compasses spinning wildly and radios falling into absolute silence turned ordinary flights into terrifying ordeals. Many attributed these malfunctions to the region's magnetism. In the Dragon's Triangle, each incident reinforced the idea of technological vulnerability in the face of the unknown. These episodes added to the already registered ocean disappearances at sea, expanding paranormal sea legends and tying the Japanese myth closer to the Atlantic enigma. Researchers suggest the Devil's Sea may be a stage for intense tectonic activity. Underwater eruptions, methane releases, and magnetic anomalies are among the hypotheses used to explain ocean disappearances. Each theory provides clues, but none fully solve the puzzle. The Dragon's Triangle, like the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, defies definitive explanations. Even as science advances, paranormal sea legends remain strong as something always goes unexplained. It is precisely in that gap where the mystery continues to breathe. The Devil's Sea shows that even with advanced technology, science still doesn't have all the answers. Many ocean disappearances remain unexplained, proving the sea holds forces beyond immediate comprehension. This gap reinforces the sense of mystery. While the Bermuda Triangle Mystery has been studied for decades, the Dragon's Triangle continues to defy hypotheses. The absence of conclusive evidence fuels paranormal sea legends, reminding us that human knowledge does not always keep pace with the vastness of the ocean. Some see the Devil's Sea as a stage for UFOs, dimensional portals, or sea monsters. These explanations stray from science but offer emotional responses to ocean disappearances that defy logic. They are modern versions of ancient fears. In the Dragon's Triangle, these beliefs coexist with scientific reports, creating a hybrid narrative. While the Bermuda Triangle Mystery inspires theories of aliens and lost civilizations, and the Pacific paranormal sea legends keep the popular imagination alive with ever more creative forms, the Devil's Sea can be seen not only as a maritime enigma, but also as a mirror of our own fears. Each account of ocean disappearances reflects the human tendency to project onto the sea what we cannot control. In this case, the mystery is more internal than external. In the Dragon's Triangle, what endures are not only facts but symbols. Just as the Bermuda Triangle Mystery found its place in Western culture, here paranormal sea legends reveal a universal archetype, the invisible monster dwelling in both the depths of the mind and the ocean. The Devil's Sea and the Bermuda Triangle Mystery share intriguing similarities but reflect distinct cultural fears. In the Atlantic, reports focused on trade routes, cargo losses, and economic impacts. In the Pacific, the Dragon's Triangle took on a more spiritual and ritualistic character. This difference also shaped the tone of paranormal sea legends. While the West emphasized threatened commerce, the East produced narratives of dragons, spirits, and hidden forces. Two oceans, two cultures, one enigma explaining ocean disappearances that seem to defy time and reason. The Devil's Sea left deep marks on Japanese maritime traditions. Many customs that now seem purely folkloric were born from attempts to explain ocean disappearances and make sense of danger. Amulets, prayers, and collective rituals served as protection strategies against the unpredictable. In the Dragon's Triangle, each cultural practice reinforced community cohesion. Just as the Bermuda Triangle Mystery led to more cautious navigation manuals, in Japan paranormal sea legends transformed into safety mechanisms, passed down through generations. Today, satellites, underwater drones, and artificial intelligence seek to unlock the Devil's Sea. The promise is to better understand ocean disappearances and map anomalies with unprecedented precision. Yet the more is discovered, the more questions seem to emerge. The Dragon's Triangle challenges even the most advanced tools. While the Bermuda Triangle Mystery continues to be studied in the Atlantic, paranormal sea legends persist in the Pacific. The lingering doubt is, are we ready to face the truth if it ever comes to light? Although modern navigation has reduced risks, the Devil's Sea still evokes unease in some maritime sectors. Stories of ocean disappearances continue to shape perceptions of routes, even when science explains part of the phenomena. The psychological impact can be as strong as the economic one. In the Dragon's Triangle, companies avoid exaggerating the danger, but the myth remains. Unlike the Bermuda Triangle Mystery, which affects strategic transatlantic routes, here paranormal sea legends act more as a cultural shadow than a real barrier, reminding us that reputations also shape commercial decisions. The Devil's Sea can be interpreted as a collective archetype. Each story of ocean disappearances works as a metaphor for the unknown, an invisible monster that provokes fear without needing to be seen. It is the human mind projecting uncertainty onto the ocean. In the Dragon's Triangle, this symbolism gained cultural strength. Just like the Bermuda Triangle Mystery in the West, paranormal sea legends transformed into stories, films, and conspiracy theories, reminding us that the true power of these regions may lie in how they shape our imagination. The Devil's Sea remains one of the planet's most enigmatic regions, combining accounts, studies, and doubts that still lack definitive answers. Every detail of this mystery keeps researchers and adventurers curious and engaged. Share your thoughts about this enigma in the comments, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming content about the world's most mysterious seas.